So how does the fire truck go if you get a fire at your house?
Yep, you did a fire of your house.
And how does it sound?
And the fire did of jobs.
Yeah.
And fires of hats. Fires can hurt you.
Yeah, and so is that why the fire truck comes to your house?
Yep, the fire comes of my house.
And stops the fire. And what sound does the fire truck?
And the fire does from the and Papa.
Oh, what sound does the police car make?
It does a vroom sound.
Oh, how does it sound?
It does vroom, 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 just like that.
Oh my goodness! So what does the ambulance do?
Woo, 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 just like that.
And then what does which one have the fire truck? What does it go like?
Woo, 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 just like that.
Oh, that's amazing. So from now on, maybe I can tell which one is coming. If I can't see it, I can listen to it, right?
For my finish doing with the fire truck, I send of a fire truck. And the fire truck can be held of you want of a fire truck. Fire trucks can by sounds. Fire trucks can it means. But fire trucks amazing. Fire trucks have real rules. And police cars have tires.
Yeah. And what else?
And the ambulance have damaged tires.
Damaged tires?
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know that. How did they get damaged?
They damage its tires. They sent some bus and they sent some tires, marbles.
Tires and marbles?
Yeah.
Oh, something like that. That's amazing.
The ambulance the woo 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 woo, and the police the woo woo, and the fire truck the woo woo woo, just like that.
Just like that. Well,
That's in one of a fire truck.
you want to ride in a fire truck?
Yep, I love to ride off a fire truck.
Would you like to go see one and just get on it if they wouldn't let you ride it? Just like look at it and see where they park it and everything?
I think the funny steering in other funny fire truck steering wheel.
Yeah.
And other funny house wheel.
Yeah.
And the other funny house steering wheel.
It might be scary.
Other fun steering wheels.
Oh, you like to see the steering wheels?
Yep, I love steering wheels.
You love the big steering wheels?
Yep.
Well, that sounds neat.
I love spinners. Spinners can spin.
Oh, spinners?
Yep.
Yeah, spinners can spin. I know you like those.
Sudden bus can go around.
Really? Go around and around?
Yep.
Oh, that would be so much fun, wouldn't it?
But tires. Look at this dad. Sit down to you.
Oh, what a cute dog. Does that dog have a name? Oh, he's licking me. Licking me all over. What a sweet dog.
It's licking your phone.
Yeah, is it licking my phone? Wow. What's the dog's name?
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog, okay. Hey, dog. Hey, dog. You love playing with Sagan? Yes, I do.